She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is around helping sensory defensive kids manage the bath and what you can do to make it a more enjoyable, less stressful, and less sensory defensive experience. One of my favorite tricks when looking at sensory defensiveness is to try to determine whether or not the noise of the running water is triggering up a sensory defensive response. So if your child is really terrified of the tub, is having a lot of issues entering the tub, try some experimentation and run the tub with your child outside the room so that they're not experiencing the sound of gushing water or the echoes that sometimes go along with being in a bathroom. So what you want to do is remove the whole auditory element to see if that is what's causing a sensory defensive response. So you can certainly run the tub with your child outside the room, and then when it's quiet and calm, have them enter and then try to take a bath. Give this a try. It's a neat trick.
Boots, last a slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon.